Kasi alam mo naman mga Dapper Cats, mga fans, Papa Jack loves so much. Ako feel, inamin mo naman na if you like girls, you would have like 20 girlfriends na 10 anak each. Kasi alam mo naman mga Dapper Cats, mga fans, Papa Jack loves so much eh. Di ba? He loves so much. He loves in excess.
Basta no extra baggage lang.
Oo. He loves in excess, kaya napupuno yung nag-overflow. Kaya kasi alam mo naman mga Dapper Cats, mga fans, Papa Jack loves so much. Ako feel, inamin mo naman na if you like girls, you would have like 20 girlfriends na 10 anak each. Kasi alam mo naman mga Dapper Cats, mga fans, Papa Jack loves so much eh. Di ba? He loves so much. He loves in excess.
Basta no extra baggage lang.
Oo. He loves in excess, kaya napupuno yung nag-overflow. Kaya
Keep on sending sticker. Thank you, Mr. Chinito. Alam niyo po, sa totoo lang, relax lang po tayo. Ayaan niyo po mag-enjoy si Riza and Bimbim. Kasi genuine yung pagkakaibigan lang. Kung makikita niyo naman po yung mga videos simula pagkabata nila. Kung ano yung mga nangyari ng bata na
we have,
nakakatuwa lang po, di ba? Super nakakatuwa lang. Hindi po na padala namin.
naka-filter eh. Hindi kita ang dimples ko.
Hindi naka-filter yan.
Okay.
Baka sabihin niyo.
Thank you po for the, I don't know what that is.
Basta as long as napapasaya po kayo, as long as may positivity, as long as may, you know, good vibes, enjoy po natin yung bawat moment, no? Ganun lang po yun, kasi maikli na ang buhay. Piliin po natin maging masaya, mabuting tao at marespeto, di ba, Bim?
Yeah, you know, everyone, let's relax na. Let's enjoy the process.
Ay, wow naman.
Thank you po. Hindi mawawala ang 13 years of friendship, di ba?
Kasi kahit balibalik ka rin mo ang mundo, sa 13 years na yun, mahal yung isa't isa.
Yeah, most definitely. I'm not denying it.
Kasi maganda talaga yung samahan yung friendship nyo. Alam mo, tutuwa nga ako may little bossing, yung mga behind the scenes natin kung nagkukulitan kayo, no?
Oh, it's 9:20 na. I will eat. Goodbye. Bye-bye.
Bukas na kakainin yan, Bin. Ano ba yan yung ano? Spaghetti?
Bye po. I will eat lechon, chicken, rice, and leeks. Opo. Thank you.
O, sticker muna. Huling hagutin yung sticker. Tim, thank you.
Thank you, Ma'am Ken. I love you.
Nirak, Tambok. O, thank you. Mark, Baby.
Bye.
Okay na po, ha? Kita na po siya. Kota na po for 1 week. Next week na po ulit, ha?
Make-up, di ba? Yes. Ito sa Bombo Radio. Bimbi Radio. Bimbi Radio. Opo, para ano. Pero ano ngayon eh, radio is not doing so well because more YouTubers now. But I think radio can still have kasi ano ngayon eh, podcasts are so popular. Eh, ang radio naman is a live podcast. So, I think it has potential po. This is Bimbi Aquino signing off. See you all tomorrow. Thank you very much. Bimbi Radio. Mga kaibigan, ito ulit ang Bimbi Radio. The radio station for love, questions, and life. I hope you enjoy the show. Boom! Pwede kaya? Pag sinumpisa pusa to. Oh, I have a hat. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Juan Cadaleon. Cadaleon. Or pang-basketball announce na lang. Alam mo talaga, Bim. Oo nga, sino pa mami ko? Joking. Kakaila po siya. Siyempre naman nagmana kay mama. And it's better to talk than be in silence. Awayan naman ako. Better to eat than to receive. Okay. Naman.